Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing my recipe for some plantain fries. Now, in Guyanese households, this is another amazing way of using plantains. Basically, we chop them into strips. This is using the green plantain, and we fry them to perfection. So what I'm going to go ahead and do is fry them today, but if you wanted to, you could put them in your air fryer, or you could even roast them in your oven. So I hope you guys enjoy this one. Let's get into it. The first step is to start off with our plantains. So I'm using green plantains today in my recipe. If you wanted to, you could use half-ripe plantains, but I wouldn't go any more ripe than that. If they are too ripe, then what happens is they are not going to hold their shape properly and they're just going to be pretty soggy. They're never going to get crispy. That's why usually we just slice it into regular diagonal slices if we are frying the sweet version. But today it's all about the green plantain. So all I'm doing is cutting off the stem, and I'm cutting in half just to make it easier to peel, and then I like to slit it through the middle just above the skin, and then I run my finger throughout to go ahead and peel it properly. So once you finish peeling all of your plantains, I'll show you what to do next. Once all your plantains have been peeled, we're going to go ahead and cut them into slices the long way, and once you finish cutting them into slices, you are going to go ahead and cut them into strips. Now you can make these strips as big or as small as you would like. I like them somewhere in the medium size range, so I'm cutting about 3 to 4 strips per slice of plantain that I have. So I'm going to continue doing this with the rest of my plantain slices, and then I will go ahead and show you guys how to fry. Here are all of my plantain pieces after I finish cutting them into strips. By no means are these perfect strips, but honestly, once they are fried to perfection, nobody is going to care how they look. They're going to be amazing as is. So let's get into the frying process. Now I'm only frying about 3 plantains today, so I do not need a big pot of oil. I'm just using one of my non-stick pans, and I'm going to fill it up with some canola oil that I have on hand. If you wanted to, you could use any other light tasting oil that you have in your kitchen as well. If you guys look close enough, the oil is like glossy on top and you see little ripples. That is the indication that the oil is hot enough and it is ready for frying. So I've had it on a medium-high heat. Once you get it up to your temperature, just depending on your stove, you're going to drop in a batch of your plantains that you've sliced up. Now the amount of batches that you have just depends on how big or small your pot is. I ended up doing this in 2 batches because my pot was nice and wide, but if you have a smaller one, you might want to break it up. Basically, we're going to fry these for about 3 minutes until they are nice golden brown and crispy on the outside. And as they're frying, you do not want to leave their side. You want to go ahead and keep on turning them around just so this way they get an even golden brown coating all over. If you were to just leave them as is, they're going to get dark on one side and not nice and dark on the other side. Another thing that I wanted to mention is I do not season my plantains before putting them into the oil. I do not like doing that whenever frying things like this just because all that seasoning ends up falling off in the oil. So it's been about 3 minutes at this point and my plantains are beautiful and golden brown. You do not want to over fry them because if you do, it's not going to be nice and soft on the inside. It's just going to be all crunchy throughout and a little too hard. So at this point, I'm going to drain them out on a rack. And if you wanted to, you could also put them on some paper towels. I just opted for the rack because that is going to keep them nice and crispy. And once you put them into a rack or a bowl lined with some paper towels to drain off the excess oil, you're going to immediately put them into a bowl and toss it with your favorite seasoning. Now today I am using this Tajin seasoning. It's basically like a spicy chili and lime seasoning. It's nice and salty, spicy, and sour. And honestly, that is the only seasoning I needed on these plantain strips. If you wanted to, you could make some fresh green seasoning and you could put a little bit of that on there and toss it up. You could put any type of all-purpose seasoning that you have on hand into this as per your own taste and your preferences. Now the reason why I'm doing this one batch at a time and tossing them as soon as they come out of the oil is because if you wait for them to cool, that seasoning will not adhere to the plantain strips. It'll just fall right off. So sprinkle it on, toss it up, and then you can continue frying the rest of your batches and seasoning as you go. And here it is, guys. While these plantain strips are amazing on their own, I did serve them with some fried chicken wings the other night. So if you want that recipe, be on the lookout and it will be on my channel very soon. But in the meanwhile, if you enjoyed this video, I thank you guys for watching. Give it a nice big thumbs up if you did enjoy, and go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Make sure you click that little bell notification icon so this way you are one of the first to know when I post my newest videos, and leave those comments down below. I'll see you guys again very soon. Bye everyone.